Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Number coding scheme. Number 1. What is the number coding scheme? In order to lessen traffic congestion, especially during rush hours in metropolitan areas, the Unified Vehicular Volume Reduction Program was first implemented in 1995, restricting private vehicles as well as pubs from driving outside based on the last digit of their number plate. During years, there were some modifications to the MMDA number coding rules. And the latest updated terms are followed as: no vehicles with plate number ending 1 and 2, 3 and 4 for Tuesday, 5 and 6 for Wednesday, 7 and 8 for Thursday, and 9 and 0 for Friday. However, on special occasions such as Christmas or New Year, when people are busier with their preparations for the holiday, MMDA usually approved for a number coding suspension scheme, valid only in a short time. Number 2. Window hours. There are some areas where they have window hours where you can travel using your car. Window hours are from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily in specific areas only. Number 3. Areas with special number coding scheme. Pasig City, which is located in the middle of major cities, have been pretty congested as vehicles go through its roads as a shortcut to reach other major cities. Vehicles ending in odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 cannot pass through these roads every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, while vehicles ending in even number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are prohibited every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Since October 1, 2016, the local municipality decided to start its own number coding in Parañaque, which resembled the same rules as car coding in Manila. Private vehicles are banned from using several major roads during the hours from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the morning and 1600 hours to 1900 hours in the evening. Number 4. Areas without number coding. Marikina, Muntinlupa, Taguig, except for in C5, East Service Road and Manuel L. Quezon. Number coding in Pasay complies with the expanded MMDA number coding, exempted for these following areas: MIA Road, Airport Road, Sales Road, Ninoy Aquino Avenue, Domestic Road and some parts of Buendia. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.